welcome back to my channel. In the past, I've made a video demonstrating the top 100 verbs used in Yiddish. I gave them to you in first person form, as that is the form you'd most likely need to use it in first. But what about the other personal pronouns? How are Yiddish verbs used in every situation? Buckle up and get ready to learn how to conjugate verbs in Yiddish. I am going to be starting with the verb to have. The infinitive form is Sie haben. Ich hab. Die hast. Ihr hat. Sie, es hat. Wir haben. Es hat. Sei haben. For German speakers, this should be pretty simple, as there are a few differences between the conjugations. Let's try it with another verb. Sie essen, to eat. Ich ess. Die esst. Ihr esst. Sie, es, esst. Wir essen. Es, esst. Sei, essen. The pattern stays the same with whichever verb you use. Sie gehen. Ich gei. Die geist. Ihr geit. Sie, es geit. Wir gehen. Es geit. Sei gehen. Now it's time for a little grammar exercise. I'll give you a sentence, and it's your job to translate it to Yiddish. I'll leave a cheat sheet in the corner if you need it. And remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. We are drinking. Wir trinken. You, plural, are running. Es läuft. You, singular informal, forget. Die vergesst. They are singing. Sei singen. I am driving. Ich fuhr. He is dancing. Tanzt. She laughs. Sie lacht. We remember. Wir gedenken. How many did you get right? Did you find this easy or hard? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Tack för idag, letrao, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!